Hello, my name is Robin M. Saltness and I'm a product marketing engineer here at Nordic Semiconductor. And this is the nRF21540 development bundle, and I'm here to tell you more about it. The bundle consists of the nRF21540 development kit and the nRF21540 evaluation kit. Both kits feature the first ever dedicated range extender from Nordic Semiconductor, the nRF21540 RF front-end module, or FEM for short. It is designed to improve the range and increase the link budget of wireless applications connected through Bluetooth Low Energy, Thread, Zigbee, or other protocols utilizing a constant envelope modulation scheme. The development bundle allows you to get started developing without any additional hardware. Let's have a closer look at the development kit first. The star of the show is the nRF21540 front-end module, located here on the right side of the PCB. All in a compact 4x4mm QFN16 package, it features both a power amplifier for transmitting with a maximum output power of plus 21 dBm and an RX low noise amplifier with 13 dB gain and a noise figure of just 2.7 decibel. With a transmission power set to plus 20 dBm and a 0 dBm input power, it uses just 110 mA of current for operation in TX mode and a mere 45 nanoamps in power down mode. In RX mode, the front-end module consumes only 2.9 mA. It runs on a supply voltage ranging from 1.7 to 3.6 volts and is rated for operation in temperatures in the range of -40 up to 105 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for use in lighting applications. The adjustable gain and power settings of the front-end module are controlled either via the I/O pins, via SPI, or a combination of both. It is in combination with our multi-protocol SoCs that the nRF21540 shines its brightest. So in this kit we've paired it with an nRF52840 advanced multi-protocol SoC. In this configuration, you will be able to have an over 6 times increase in range and an improved RX sensitivity by 5 dBm for Bluetooth LE at a 1 megabit per second transmission rate. This makes the maximum RX sensitivity for this setup a full -100 dBm. The added benefit of using the range extender in combination with a Nordic Semiconductor SoC is the ease of use with full driver support for the FEM in the nRF Connect SDK. The white line surrounding the nRF21540 front-end module and the nRF52840 SoC indicates all the components necessary to power up and run the entire system, visualizing the components' approximate size requirements. To get RF measurements, there are 2 integrated RF measurements ports just on the top and bottom right side of the white line surrounding the critical components. For testing with integrated antennas, the board features 2 ceramic chip antennas in the top and bottom right-hand corner of the PCB. The FEM also supports antenna diversity, so 2 antennas could be used to transmit or receive at once without interfering with each other's signals. Besides from this, the nRF21540 dev kit shares a lot of similarities with our tried and trusted nRF52840 development kit, with built-in LEDs and push buttons, an NFC antenna connector, dual micro USB ports, diverse selection of headers for powering the device and power measurement, a J-Link programmer and debugger for programming your applications to the nRF52840 SoC and troubleshooting your code. It also has headers for all the analog and digital general inputs and outputs of the nRF52840 SoC. The bundle also contains this, the nRF21540 evaluation kit. It consists of an nRF21540 front-end module with SMA antenna connectors for attaching to the antenna outputs and inputs of the FEM, and pin headers for gain control, antenna switching, and mode selection. This enables testing with lab equipment or with an nRF52 or nRF53 series dev kit. The nRF21540 development bundle is available through our distributor network now. Visit nordicsemi.com/nRF21540db to learn more about it and find out where you can get one for yourself.